This is a public service announcement. This is a public service announcement. If you have paid overdraft fees to Bank of America, you may be eligible for a payment from a class action settlement. A $410 million settlement has been reached in a class action lawsuit about the order in which Bank of America, N.A., quote, Bank of America posted the debit card transactions to its customers' account. Bank of America maintains there was nothing wrong about the posting procedures used. Who is included? You are a member of this class action settlement class action. If one, you had a Bank of America customer checking account and / or savings account that you could access with a Bank of America debit card at any time between January 1st, 2001 and May 24th, 2011. And to who were charged one or more overdraft fees as a result of the Bank of America's practice of posting debit cards transactions from highest to lowest dollar amount. What are the settlement terms? Bank of America has agreed to establish a settlement fund of $410 million from which identifiable settlement class members may receive payments or account credits. And the amount of such payments or account credits cannot be determined at this time. However, it will be based on the number of people in the settlement class and the amount of additional overdraft fees each settlement class member paid as a result of Bank of America's posting order. There is not sufficient data to identify all settlement class members for the time period between January 1st, 2001 and December 31st, 2003. On behalf of the settlement class members who could not be identified, between 5 and 14% of the settlement fund, net of expenses, will be available to the nonprofit organizations. How to get a payment. If you are included in the settlement class and are entitled to receive a cash benefit, you do not have to do anything to get a payment or an account credit. If the court approves the settlement and it becomes final and effective, you will automatically receive a payment or an account credit. Your rights may be affected. If you do not want to be legally bound by the settlement, you must exclude yourself from the settlement class. The deadline to exclude yourself is October 3rd, 2011. If you do not exclude yourself, you will release your overdraft fee related claims against Bank of America and will not be able to sue Bank of America for any claims related to the lawsuit. If you stay in the settlement class, you may object to it by October 3rd, 2011. The court will hold a hearing on November 7th, 2011 to consider whether to approve the settlement and request for attorney's fees, costs, and expenses up to 30% of the money remaining in the settlement fund after costs and administration expenses are paid. You can appear at the hearing, but you do not have to. You can hire your own attorney at your own cost to appear or speak for you at the hearing. More information, call toll-free 1-800-372-3290 on the web at www.bofaoverdraftsettlement.com. That is www.bofaoverdraftsettlement.com. The phone number again is toll-free 1-800-372-2390. This has been a court-ordered legal notice, Claims Administrator, P.O. Box 2425, Fairbutte, Minnesota. That's F-A-R-I-B-U-L-T, Minnesota 55021-9125. Important notice about Bank of America settlement sent to Morgan. Last four of the Social Security 9443, Portland, Oregon 97206-1071. You may use that as a trace identifier for the 3 accounts that I have with Bank of America during the time period, and also the 1 associated account. Thank you very much. This has been Specialist Morgan, United States Army General Accounting Office, Gallant Knight Operations, 1984, Federal Pilot Project I, IA, IB, IAB, etc. at all. Thank you. Have a good day.